This is the practice test for charts and graphs, and here we are looking at problems 1 through 3. And before we come to the problems, the questions, we should look at the graph itself. And the graph is entitled Americans Are the World's Biggest TV Lovers. And the chart is, or the graph, we could call it, is based on the average time spent watching TV per day in 2014 in minutes. And so you see down through the left-hand column here, we have the different countries, and then the bar represents the number of minutes, and we're given the total number of minutes for each country over here on the right. And so once we get a little bit of an understanding of the chart, then we can look at the questions below. And the first question is, which country watched TV for more than 250 minutes per day? And so there were 3 countries here that did, but which one of them is listed here below? And we see that Germany watched TV for only 221 minutes. That's not more than 250. UK was only 220. China is only 157. And so the answer is Japan. Japan is the only one of these 4 countries that watched TV for more than 250 minutes per day. And then on question number 2, which country did not watch TV for more than 220 minutes? And we see that there's only one country here, China, of these 4, that did not watch TV for more than 220 minutes. And then on question number 3, it says there are 1,440 minutes in a day. That's the total number of minutes in a day. On average, what percent of the day did those in the UK approximately spend watching TV? So what we are asked for is what percent. So this is a percent problem, and we can use our formula for percent, which is part divided by total times 100. And we look up on our chart and we find that the UK, the average TV watching in one day was 220 minutes, and we want to know what percent that is of the day. So we take that as the part of the day watching TV, 220 minutes, divided by the total. And on our calculator, we're going to get 0.1527. We multiply by 100, we get 15.27%, and the answer is 15, letter C, which is the closest answer.